Welcome to Open House. We're so happy you're here. My name is Tonya Robinson-Mayer and I'm the coordinator of transition programs. As a coordinator, I do many things that support staff, students, and families in a variety of ways. I coordinate our school-age work-based learning program, where students 14 and older have the opportunity to develop the soft skills needed for future employment as part of their school day. I also coordinate transition planning for all students in our program 14 to 21 and assist with creating partnerships with outside agencies based on student and family needs. I oversee our pre-employment transition services grant, which allows us to provide services to students with differing abilities in Clinton, Essex, Franklin, and St. Lawrence counties through grant funding. And last but not least, I coordinate the Partners in Transition program, our adult employment program for individuals with differing abilities that provides options for community members and our students upon exit from high school to enter and remain in our program on the road to employment. Thanks for joining us in this virtual journey, and feel free to reach out to me by my email if you have any questions I can help with.